Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on Daedalus account. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Daedalus account's password, firstly open your Daedalus application. The official page of Daedalus application will appear on the screen. Swipe the screen to the left side until you arrive on the sign-in page. Enter your email address and click on Forgot Password option. On the next page, enter your email address associated with your Daedalus account and tap on Send Reset Password link. A reset password link will be sent to your email address. Open a mail sent by Daedalus and click on Reset link. Create a new password for your Daedalus account and tap on Save. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can reset your Daedalus account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.